Is your HOA's reserves underfunded? Is your HOA deferring repairs? Is your HOA financially unstable? Is your HOA insolvent? If so, your HOA is getting ready to hit you with special assessments that they haven't told you about. Special assessments that land in your mailbox for thousands of dollars that you will have to pay, or your HOA will foreclose on you. This is the coming condo collapse coming August 2026. My name is Terry Bontemps. There are over 350,000 HOAs in the United States. 70% of them are underfunded, which means your HOA doesn't have the money to pay for the repairs needed to keep your facility safe. 3 out of 4 HOAs don't have the money, and they're looking to get it from you and the other homeowners in your community. Your HOA is coming for your money, your savings, your equity, and your retirement. Your HOA will foreclose on you to get it. You will have to pay to stay. I'm here to help you protect your wealth instead of letting your HOA strip you of your wealth. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae will be doing a full review of your HOA when a new buyer wants to buy a unit in your community starting August 2026. The buyer is going to have to qualify, but your HOA will have to qualify also. This is the first time ever in the history of Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae that will require your HOA to meet their strict guidelines and requirements. If your HOA doesn't meet their requirements, no one will be able to get a conventional financing for a loan. Your HOA will be on Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae's blacklist, and no one is telling you this. Your HOA knows this, and it will cause a condo collapse. It's nothing they can do to stop it. HOAs didn't save the money that they were supposed to from your monthly dues. In my case, I paid 8 straight years of dues without missing a single payment. My HOA is $4 million behind, and this is exactly what Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are looking for. They will not be providing financing for my HOA. My HOA didn't save for the rainy day like they were supposed to. Because my HOA didn't budget the money the way they were supposed to, they will be coming to me in the next 1 to 3 years with multiple special assessments totaling anywhere from $30,000 to $90,000. They're coming for my wealth. They're coming to strip me of my wealth, and I'm not going to pay. Most people will not be able to pay their special assessments, and the HOA will foreclose through no fault of their own. This is what condo owners and HOAs don't know about. HOAs are not telling you about this, and no one is sounding the alarm. It starts August 2026. I'm a real estate investor with 44 years of investing experience. I've invested in California, Arizona, Nevada, Illinois, New York, and Florida. I've taught thousands of real estate investors around the world how to make money investing in real estate. I'm also a startup founder. I developed HOA TrueView. It's a proprietary software that tells you the financial stability of your HOA in 3 minutes or less. It will tell you the operational health of your HOA. If your HOA is underfunded, stable, or collapsing, it will tell you if repairs are being deferred and if special assessments are coming, how much they are, and when they're coming, even if your HOA won't. All I need is your annual budget and policy. That's all I need to be able to tell you this information. Protect your wealth, or you can give it to your HOA. Go to HOATrueView.com. That's HOATrueView.com. If you have any questions, give me a call at 916-470-3869. Again, that's 916-470-3869. Protect your wealth. Thank you.